Filipino language markers, or also known as particles, are used to indicate the role of a noun in a sentence, such as whether it is the subject, object, or topic. The most common markers are ang, si, nang, and sa. Ang is used before common nouns, examples, objects, animals, and places, while si is used before proper nouns like names of people. Another one is nang. The marker ng is for the object or possessor. It is used to indicate the object of a verb, a possessor, or to describe something. Another one is sa. Sa is a marker for the location, direction, or possessor. It is used to indicate location, direction, or possession. Here are the example sentences for the marker ang. Ang bata ay naglalaro. The child is playing. So, a bata is a child, and then naglalaro is playing. So, ang bata ay naglalaro. Ang aso ay tumatahol. The dog is barking. Aso is a dog. Tumatahol is barking. Ang aso ay tumatahol. Ang bahay ay malaki. The house is big. A bahay is a house and malaki is big. Ang libro ay bago. The book is new. So, book is libro and then bago is new. Ang libro ay bago. Ang kotse ay pula. The car is red. So, a kotse is a car and then pula is red. Ang pusa ay natutulog. The cat is sleeping. So, a pusa is a cat. Natutulog is sleeping. Ang halaman ay luntian. Ang halaman is a plant and luntian, that's green. Ang sapatos ay madumi. So, the shoes are dirty. So, sapatos, that's shoes, and then madumi, that's dirty. Ang isda ay masarap. The fish is delicious. Isda is fish, and then masarap is delicious. Ang pagkain ay luto na. So, the food is cooked. Pagkain is food, and then luto is cooked. Na is already. Ang pagkain ay luto na. Example sentences with si. Si Maria ay maganda. So, Maria is beautiful. Maganda means beautiful. Si Maria ay maganda. Si Juan ay nag-aaral. So, Juan is studying. So, nag-aaral means studying. Si Juan ay nag-aaral. Si Pedro ay nagtatrabaho. Pedro is working. Nagtatrabaho means working. Si Ana ay kumakanta. Ana is singing. So, kumakanta means singing. Si Ana ay kumakanta. Si Ben ay naglalaro ng basketball. Ben is playing basketball. Naglalaro, that's playing. And then basketball is basketball. Si Ben ay naglalaro ng basketball. Si Liza ay nagluluto. So, Liza is cooking. Si Liza ay nagluluto. Si Jose ay matalino. Jose is smart. So, si Jose ay matalino. Matalino means smart. Si Carlo ay sumasayaw. Carlo is dancing. Sumasayaw means dancing. So, si Carlo ay sumasayaw. Si Ella ay nagbabasa. Ella is reading. Nagbabasa means reading. Basa, that's the root word. Si Ella ay nagbabasa. Si Tina ay umuuwi na. So, Tina is going home. Umuuwi is like going home na is already. So, si Tina ay umuuwi na. Example sentences for the marker for the object or possessor ng. Kumain ng prutas si Maria. Maria ate fruit. So, kumain, that's ate, past tense, and then prutas, that's fruit. So, si Maria ay kumain ng prutas. Nagluto ng pagkain si Ana. So, Ana cooked food. Nagluto is cooked. The root word is luto, means cook. Pagkain is food. So, nagluto ng pagkain si Ana. Naglinis ng kwarto si Ben. So, Ben cleaned the room. Naglinis, that's cleaned, and then kwarto, that's room. Naglinis ng kwarto si Ben. Bumili ng libro si Pedro. So, Pedro bought a book. Bumili, that's bought. Bili, that's the root word. To buy, and then libro is a book. So, bumili ng libro si Pedro. Nagtanim ng bulaklak si Liza. So, Liza planted flowers. Nagtanim, that's planted. Tanim, that's the root word to plant, and then bulaklak is flower. Nagtanim ng bulaklak si Liza. Nag-aral ng leksyon si Juan. So, Juan studied the lesson. So, nag-aral means studied, past tense. Aral, that's the root word. And then leksyon, that's the lesson. So, nag-aral ng leksyon si Juan. Nagsulat ng liham si Jose. Jose wrote a letter. Nagsulat, that's wrote. Sulat, that's the root word to write. And then aliham is a letter. Uminom ng tubig si Carlo. Carlo drank water. So uminom, that's drunk. Inom, that's the root word to drink. And then tubig is water. Uminom ng tubig si Pedro. Nag-alaga ng aso si Ella. Ella took care of a dog. Alaga, nag-alaga means took care. Alaga, that's the root word. And then an aso is a dog. Nagbasa ng dyaryo si Tina. So, Tina read the newspaper. Nagbasa, that's read. Basa, that's the root word to read. And then, dyaryo, that's a newspaper. So, nagbasa ng dyaryo si Tina. Example sentences for the marker sa. Pumunta si Maria sa tindahan. So, Maria went to the store. Pumunta, that's went. Punta, that's the root word to go. And then, ang tindahan is a store. Pumunta si Maria sa tindahan. Nagtrabaho si Juan sa opisina. Juan worked at the office. So, nagtrabaho, that's past tense, worked. And then, opisina, that's an office. Nagtrabaho si Juan sa opisina. Naglaro si Pedro sa parke. Pedro played at the park. So, naglaro, that's played. Laro, that's a root word to play. And then, parke, that's a park. Naglaro si Pedro sa parke. Nakipagkita si Ana sa kaibigan. Ana met with a friend. Nakipagkita, that's met, past tense. Kita, like to see. And then, a kaibigan is a friend. So, nakipagkita si Ana sa kaibigan. Sumulat si Ben sa pisara. Ben wrote on the board. Sumulat, that's past tense of write. So, wrote. And then, a pisara is like the blackboard or the chalkboard. Sumulat si Ben sa pisara. Nagtanim si Lisa sa hardin. Lisa planted in the garden. Nagtanim, that's planted. The root word is tanim, to plant. And then a hardin is a garden. Naglakad si Pedro sa daan. Carlo walked on the road. Naglakad, that's walked. And then lakad is the root word, means to walk. And then a daan is a road. Naglakad si Carlo sa daan. Natutulog si Jose sa kama. So Jose is sleeping in the bed. Natutulog, that's sleeping. Tulog, that's the root word. It means to sleep. And then ang kama is the bed. Nagbasa si Ella sa aklatan. So Ella read in the library. Ang basa is the root word. Nagbasa is read, past tense. And then aklatan is a library. Aklat is a book. Aklatan is a library. Nagluto si Tina sa kusina. Tina cooked in the kitchen. Nagluto, past tense of to cook. Luto is the root word. And then a kusina is the kitchen. And for our summary, once again, ang and si are used for the subject or topic. Nang is used for the object or possessor, and sa is used for location, direction, or possession. So these markers help clarify the roles of words in a sentence, making communication in Filipino more precise. So learners are encouraged to practice using these markers to form sentences as they become more familiar with the language. Maraming salamat for watching this video and see you in the next one.